Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online in Kenya, in Africa and the rest of the world. We talk about passive income opportunities, and we also talk about side hustling opportunities. So if any of these topics sound exciting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 skills that you need to learn this year to make you money online working from home. So the number 1 skill you will need to learn this year to make money online from home is content creation. It doesn't matter which platform we are talking about. It could be blogging on your own personal website like my evamtali.com website. You can create blogs on free platforms such as medium.com. You can start your own YouTube channel like what we have here. You can start your own podcast. You can start your own Instagram account. You can start your Twitter account. You can start your Facebook account. And what I mean creating content for business or running your social media accounts as a business. With the pandemic having happened, a lot of people are suddenly finding themselves at home. A lot of businesses, actually nearly all the businesses, have been forced to move to the online world, and that means that there's a lot more opportunity to create web content, and with that has come with a lot more consumers of the same content. So if you hone your content creation skills, it doesn't matter whether it's writing, whether it's speaking on video, whether it's using your voice on podcasts, whether it's using your creativity on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok and the like, there is an opportunity to make money online and work from home. In addition to providing content for your own platforms, you can also offer your content creation services on a freelance basis. There's so many kind of content that you can provide. So let's take a look at article and blog posts and just see how much are people currently making when writing articles. Just looking at this one, for example, this freelancer here is a level 2 seller, currently has 4.9 star rating, and starts providing a single blog post, 300 words at $75, an educational article at $90, and then content marketing at $110, and currently has 2 orders in queue. We have this other level 2 seller who is offering expert medical, health and psychology articles. Currently has a starter package of $195 for 400 words, 1 focus word and topic research. And then for $295 up to 800 words, up to 1 focus word, topic research, and that is $295. And then for a 1200 word article, which involves all these features, $395. Currently has 45-star ratings and 1 order in the queue. Let's look at this other one. I will write medical research articles as a doctor. So starter package, 500 words, 2 focus words, $100. And then there is up to 1000 words, 3 focus words and topic research is $200. And then there's a diamond package is 1500 words, up to 4 focus words, topic research at $300. And as you can see, level 2 seller, 4.9 star rating and 4 orders in the queue. So evidently, the more niche specific your content writing, the higher you're likely to fetch. So as you can see, this doctor starting at $100, and this other one who is doing health, medical psychology, starting at $195. The number 2 skill you will need to learn to make money online and work from home this year is coding. With the sudden influx of businesses and individuals to the online world, there is need for apps, there is need for websites, and that's where your coding skills are gonna come in. So if you learn how to code, you're better placed to make money online and work from home with these businesses that are moving online for the first time, these individuals that are moving online for the first time, and they're gonna need apps, they're gonna need websites, and you're gonna do this for them and make money online working from home. The number 3 skill you will need to learn this year to be able to make money online and work from home is paid advertising. And when I'm talking about paid advertising, I am talking about things like Facebook ads, I am talking about Google ads, I am talking about influencer marketing. Doesn't matter whether that is on Instagram, on TikTok, or on Facebook, Twitter, it doesn't matter. With all these businesses and individuals moving online, there's more eyeballs on the internet, and if you're able to successfully carry an advertising campaign, there is opportunity for you to make money online and work from home. And these skills are not difficult to learn. So for example, if you want to learn Google ads advertising, for example, Google currently is offering those courses free of charge, and I have shot an entire video up here where I show you step by step how you can enroll into the Google Ads free program and learn to be a Google Ads campaign specialist and start making money online. The number 4 skill that you need to learn this year to make money online and start working from home is video editing. With a lot more people going online, there's a lot more content being uploaded in form of video. For example, last year, almost 500 hours of video content was uploaded on YouTube every 20 minutes. And there's a lot of video creators who either do not have the skills to edit their own videos and therefore are gonna need help, or others who may have the skill to edit their own videos but do not have the time to edit the said videos, and they would rather use that time to create the videos or to do other work. This is where your expertise is going to come in, and you're gonna work with the different individuals, the different video creators, whether that be YouTubers, whether that be for advertisements like YouTube video ads or Facebook video ads or Instagram video ads, whatever kind of video content that the different businesses or individuals are going to need, your services are going to come handy. When it comes to video editing and animation, there's a whole host of services that you can provide as long as you're able to tell a story in a unique way and make custom video and animation services. So let's just look at video editing, for example, and see how much the different providers are currently charging. As you can see, there is work for both pro services as well as rising stars, those who are just coming in. We have, for example, this guy. I will edit professional video ads for your brand or business. He is pro verified and he is charging $625 US for his starter pack. And this is 30-second video with 50 voiceover words for $625 US. We have a 1-minute video with stock video licensing, 100 voiceover words at $1,250, and then his premium package is $2,500 US. This is custom projects, up to 15 minutes of footage provided and up to 3 minutes running. And you can see right now the guy has 21 4.9 star rating and 1 order in the queue. This one will do video editing starting at $250 US. I will edit an impressive music video starting at $550 US. And we also have, I will edit a professional video for your ad social campaign starting at $380 US. I will edit an engaging corporate promotional 5-star rating starting at $280 US. As a pro service provider, you can actually make good money on Fiverr or just online if you have video editing skills. So let's look at what the others are currently charging. Let's check this. It is a top rated seller with 1,637 5-star rating, currently has 6 orders in the queue. For the basic video edit, the edit that is just color grading, charges $50 US. For the color grading, sound design and mixing plus subtitles, that is $150 US. And then for the premium package, which involves all this, for he's charging $500 US, and you can see 14 days delivery. Our professional edit your travel vlogs, family and YouTube videos starting at $15 US. This is only offering color grading for $15, and then when they do color grading, sound design, and mixing plus motion graphics is $50, and color grading, sound design, motion graphics, and subtitle at $100. These are level 2 seller. Let's check out another one. I will edit interviews and corporate videos. The basic package, up to 15 minutes of footage provided and up to 1 minute running time. This is $30. For the standard package, there is up to 30 minutes of footage provided and up to 2 minutes running time. This is $60. And then for the premium package, you get up to 15 minutes running time, advanced editing, coloring, and all this stuff is $145. Currently, this provider has 55 4.8 star rating and 3 orders in the queue. Let's quickly check one more. I will do a remarkable video editing and post-production job for you, starting at $100 for a basic job that is just color grading alone. And then there is standard package, which is color grading plus sound design and mixing at $300. And then there is all this color grading, sound design, motion graphics, and subtitles for $900. As you can see, he's a rising talent, has a 5 5-star rating, and has 1 order in the queue. Guys, there is money to be made in video editing, and if you can get your video editing skills today, the better for you. The number 5 skill we need to learn this year to be able to make money online and work from home is selling stuff online, or what we call e-commerce. With the need for social distancing and the need to stay home to avoid the spread of the virus, a lot more people are staying home and purchasing all their stuff online. So if you can be able to learn the skill of selling stuff online, whether that be a product, whether that be a service, then you are likely to make money online this year and be able to work from home. One easy way to start is using platforms such as Etsy.com, for example, or you could start your own Shopify store to sell your inventory. Alternatively, you can use print-on-demand websites such as Redbubble, for example, to sell print-on-demand items. This is whereby you do not hold inventory and you do not make a product until somebody makes an order, and then you let the print-on-demand company to prepare the product, ship it, handle all the customer service on your behalf. Alternatively, you can decide to sell services. You can decide to do the services yourselves. Alternatively, you can outsource those services to other people, what I call service dropshipping. So for example, if you want to offer article rewriting services, you can list your services on Fiverr.com, and once you have done so, you wait for somebody to make an order. So let's say you're charging $50 for a 700-word article. Once you get that order, you find somebody else who is willing to write for you that article for maybe $40. So the difference between the 70 you charge your customer and the 40 that you pay for the person doing the article writing for you, that will be your profit. Well guys, that's it for today in terms of skills that you need to learn this year in order to make money online. Let me know in the comment section below, which of these skills are you excited to start learning this year? Thank you for staying up to the very end. See you on the next one. Bye bye.